There we go. Well guys, welcome to the channel, and as you just saw, we went for a little road trip and we have a new project car. So my awesome wife found this on Facebook Marketplace and we went there and got it today off a guy called Blake, and this car's well known. It's turbocharged, he's put a lot of money in it, and we're going to work on it, fix the engine, get it back to how it should be and get it detailed and running perfectly, and I'll take you through the whole build process. It's going to take a few months, but we'll get there. But yeah, so Little Kei Truck has a new owner and it has a good home, and we're going to look after it, aren't we?
Yes, we are.